Yeah. Okay, so Knee Nurturing Institute was started 2 years back. This was a journey, a personal journey of mine that I wanted to help people unleash their potential. As if you ask me what is my potential, and most of the people keep asking me, now I have found that I'm able to influence people into bringing the best out of them. So that is my potential. So I thought, let me start off with something where people can come and start realizing their potential. I do it with genetic mind profiling, NLP, mindfulness, and cognitive behavior therapy. I have a bunch of people now with me who have started taking little steps towards unleashing their potential. But today we have as guests people who have already identified their potential and working on it and improvising themselves. So it's an inspiration for both the sides. People here in the Nurturing Institute also get inspired by you, and you can also get inspired by the tiny steps they are taking. So through the process, I'll be introducing my team and also telling you what steps they have done. And this open mic was a concept we wanted to do in the terrace of my office. But because of this lockdown, everything was in a standstill. We thought we always have to find ways to do things, can't succumb to the circumstances. So that's where we thought, let's do an online open mic. And this is the fourth open mic, and the energy is immense. Throughout the week, we in the Nurturing Institute and the team is getting a lot of good vibes. And every time after our open mic, we're all charged. And trust me, your energy is contagious and it is keeping us going throughout the day. And we hope through this open mic, we will bring all budding talents forward. So this is one stage, one platform we're able to give. And let's see, maybe after the lockdown is over, we will also get to meet you in person. If we do so, we'll be the most happiest people. So let me not talk so much. I will invite now a beautiful person here. Not only beautiful outside, beautiful inside also. So we have Manasa here who's doing a lot of things for the environment, and she also came into Knee Nurturing Institute for a program called Inertia, and that's when I got to see her. It happened in Feb. So from Feb to now, okay, it's 4 months, 5 months, and it's been a nice journey. I can see that she's really working into what she wants to become. So we always keep telling what happened has happened, and we will always focus on what needs to be done. And she's a very consistent person when it comes to her own personal growth and also influencing the people around her. She's been consistently doing. Today, she will come start off this session with her radiating energy. So let's dance with her. Let's start the music. How many of you are ready to dance? There's no option, okay? There's no option. All of us will get up or sit and rock. That brings in so much energy. So let's dance with Manasa. People who haven't opened their cameras, please do open. Palani, Rekha, Prasad, and VR. So many people are here. Some people without name, and it's only the phone number or something. Please rename it. We have Pallavi, and then we have Sudarshan. New people have come. Priyadarshini, Prem Shankar. All of you, if you can open your camera, we'll be really delighted. Okay, let's start. Can we have the music on?
Berlin Dock, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us. We want you to get on your feet. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now, we go party till we black out. So get the fuck up.
Manasa. Let's all clap for Manasa. Come on. Yes, thank you, Manasa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Divya.
Yeah, such a short notice you did a number for us. And I'm sorry I was not able to follow you because these guys in editing, they changed images here. I'm not a natural dancer, but nice. Thank you so much for doing it today. Okay, so now let's get into the show. How many of you are excited? Let me see, wave the hand, do some action. So we will bring on to the stage the super duper participants of today. Yeah, I see only the participants waving hands. How about others also wave and cheer these people? Yes? Okay. So first, today is going to be, let me get my list. Okay. So today the first participant is going to be Madhavan. Madhavan is a BE student. He studies in REC, Rajalakshmi Engineering College, Chennai, and he's learning Carnatic music for the last 5 years, and he's good with light music. And today he's going to start off the show by singing a song. We don't know what song, but I'm very happy to invite Madhavan.
Thank you.
Maddie. Yes, hi Maddie.
Hello. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fantastic.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I'm here to sing Nallai Allai song from Kaattu Velidai by A.R. Rahman.
Hey, wow, that's my favorite.
நான் ஒழுங்கா கேக்குதா உங்களுக்கு? Can you hear me good?
Yes.
வானில் தேடி நின்றேன், ஆழி நீ அடைந்தாய், ஆழி நான் விழுந்தாய், வானில் நீ எழுந்தாய், என்னை நட்சத்திர காட்டு அலைய விட்டாள், நான் என்ற எண்ணம் தொலைய விட்டாள். நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நன்னிலவே நீ, நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை முல்லை கொள்ளை நீ, நல்லை அல்லை. ஒலிகளின் தேடல் என்பதெல்லாம் மௌனத்தில் முடிகின்றதே. மௌனத்தின் தேடல் என்பதெல்லாம் ஞானத்தில் முடிகின்றதே. நான் உன்னை தேடும் வேளையிலே நீ மேகம் சூடி ஓடிவிட்டால் நன்றை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நன்னிலவே நீ நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நள்ளிரவே நீ நல்லை அல்லை. முகை முதல் முத்தென்ற நிலைகளிலே முகம் தோட காத்திருந்தேன். மலர் என்ற நிலை விட்டு பூத்திருந்தாள் மனம் கொள்ள காத்திருந்தேன். மகரந்தம் தேடி நுகரும் முன்னே வெயில் காட்டு வீழ்ந்து விட்டாய். நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நாரும் பூவே நீ நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை நல்லை அல்லை முல்லை கொள்ளை நீ நல்லை அல்லை. Thank you.
Wow, 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 amazing. First, let us clap for him, then let's talk about what he did.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you all.
Superb, superb, Madhavan. Comes from a deep feeling, I can sense that. பயங்கர ஃபீலோட பண்றீங்களே. So what's that?
Friendly song.
The song is so good and
Yeah.
it comes from a deeper feeling of the song.
Yeah. Relates with his name Madhavan.
எங்க கலாய்க்கிறீங்க எல்லாரும்?
No, it's true, Madhavan. It was so breezy, so melodious.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Very nice, very nice. So 5 years you learned and you can sing so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep rocking and keep pursue your passion. You're
Sure,
a wonderful
sure.
singer. Thank you for participating today.
Thanks for the opportunity actually.
Yes.
Like,
Our pleasure, Madhavan.
yeah.
So the next participant we have is radiating with energy from the time we came here, like 15 minutes before we got connected, and I could see one face that was bubbling with so much of energy, so much of confidence. That is that childlike interest that I saw. You can also see in the screen that there is one child fully dressed and fully smiling and taking over the full screen. Though there are a lot of pixels here, I could see only her face because it's glowing with so much of shine. She's Netra, B Netra with us. She's 9 years old and in class 3. And how much can I tell? She's got varied interests. She loves Bharatanatyam. She's learning it. She likes Carnatic music. She's very good in drawing also. She's won many competitions across. And she's also learning the Bhagavad Gita and Sanskrit slogans. And she's also got so many prizes in that and whatnot. She's also a roller skater. And she's learning it for the last 3 years. And I use this quarantine period effectively to enhance my skills. So much skills she's having. I don't think she'll have a boring moment in her life because she's got so much of talent and she's only 9 years old. And the list goes beyond 9. I'm really happy to have her here and let's see her dance today. Hi Netra.
Hi.
Adlama, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
மேம் ஒரு பாட்டு பாடலாமா? நேத்ரா பாடணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறாங்க.
Yes, in 5 minutes time, whatever she wants to do, she can. Sridevi is the timekeeper officially.
Gananadam bajare sitaparab shaktiyutam Shri Gananadam
भजरे नागयज्ञसूत्रधरं नादलया नन्दकरं नागयज्ञसूत्रधरं नादलया नन्दकरं श्रीगणनाथं भजरे सीतापरा शक्तियुतं श्रीगणनाथं भजरे.
Wow, super.
மங்களரூபிணி மதியணி சோழினி மன்மத பாடியளே சங்கடம் நீங்கிட சடுதியில் வந்திடும் சங்கரி சங்கரியே சங்கட பாணியின் முகம் கண்ட நல் கற்பக காமினியே शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारण कामाक्षी जय जय शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारण कामाक्षी काणूरु मलरेन कदिरोळि काटिड वंदडुवाय काणूरु कवरिन तारोळि मदियोळि कांतिये வீசிடுவாள் நானூறு விழியாள் மாதவர் மொழியாள் மாலைகள் சூடிடுவாள் ஜய ஜய சங்கரி கௌரி கிருபாகரி துக்க நிவாரணி காமாட்சி ஜய ஜய சங்கரி கௌரி கிருபாகரி துக்க நிவாரணி காமாட்சி शंकरी सौंदरी चतुर्भुवन போற்றிட சபையினில் வந்தவளே சுந்தரி மாவினில் பொன்னுநடி வைத்து பொருந்திட வந்தவளே என் கூலம் தழைத்திட எழில் வடிவுடனே எழுந்தருள் துர்க்கைகளே जय जय शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी जय जय शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी தனதன தங்கண கவியொலி முழங்கிட கண்மணி நீ வருவாய் கங்கண கதிரொளி வீசிட கண்மணி நீ வருவாய் பட 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 பறையொலி கூவிட கண்மணி நீ வருவாய் ஜய ஜய शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी जय जय शंकरी गौरी कृपाकरी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी पंचमी भैरवी पर्वतपुत्री पंचदल्पाणियणे உணவிகு வேடனை குமரியனே சங்கடம் தீர்த்திட சமரது செய்தனல் சக்தியனும் மாயை शंकरि गौरी कुमारी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी जय जय शंकरि गौरी कुमारी दुख निवारणि कामाक्षी.
Netra is hearing. Hi, Netra.
Hi.
Super, fantastic. How many years are you learning Bharatanatyam?
2 years.
2 years. From 2 years or 2 years?
2 years.
2 years only. That's so nice. You've done so well. Thank you so much. Keep practicing your art. You'll become a very good dancer. Okay? You can see all the medals hanging there behind you. All your medals. So you are a champion already. Wow. Good, 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 good. Okay. Thank you for participating. Okay. So should we give a big round of applause to Netra again?
And we have a podcast. I'm doing a podcast. I'm telling stories in it.
Oh,
Please
wow.
listen.
Okay, send me your podcast so that when I put this video in YouTube, I will send that link to people. Okay?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so we have the next participant. Next participant is Prateep. Prateep is again a singer. So he is learning Carnatic music, classically trained singer, and he's been singing Tamil songs. Now he's learning Hindi and Malayalam songs as well. And he's got a YouTube channel called Prateep Kumar. What of music? Nuances of music.
Nuances of music.
Nuances of music. Okay. So mainly focused on Tamil songs of all genres. So we will share the description in the YouTube link. Do go and visit everybody's podcast or Facebook page or Instagram. Keep following people so that it will motivate them. So our YouTube channel is The Limitless You. So please go and subscribe The Limitless You, where we will give the participant details also. Okay. Now, so can we have Prateep Kumar here?
Yeah, Pradeep here. Can you hear me right?
I can hear you. Can I see you? Okay. Yes.
Okay, hi. Hi everyone. First of all, thanks a lot for this opportunity. And this is a really great thing during this quarantine time to arrange for an open mic session. So thanks a lot, Divya, for that. And so நான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக பாட போகிறது வந்து நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஆக்சுவலாக நான் வந்து I do a lot of band shows. So என்னோட band name வந்து IM, which means like EM actually. EM means ancient Tamil வந்து it is known as music. So I am a part of, our band is also part of All the Streets of Chennai, which is a musical community which is running successfully in Chennai for the past 2 years. Maybe you can just check it out in Instagram page. So we do a lot of stage shows as well as outside shows with the OTS. So today I'm going to do a Air Rahman mashup as well as one Malayalam song. So I'll just start with that. It's audible, right?
Yes, it's audible.
தென்றல் என்னை தீண்டினால் சேலை தீண்டும் ஞாபகம், சின்ன பூக்கள் பார்க்கையில் வேதம் பார்த்த ஞாபகம், வெள்ளி ஓடை பேசினால் சொன்ன வார்த்தை ஞாபகம், மேகம் ரெண்டும் சேர்கையில் மோகம் கொண்ட ஞாபகம், வாயில்லாமல் போனால் வார்த்தை இல்லை பெண்ணே, நீ இல்லாமல் போனால் வாழ்க்கை இல்லை கண்டே, உள்ளோடுதான் முத்தங்களா சொல் சொல், காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணீரில் நீதான் கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான் என்னானதோ ஏதானதோ சொல் சொல் பூவிடும் பாதத்தில் புஷ்பாஞ்சலி பொன்னே உன் பெயருக்கு பொன்னாஞ்சலி கண்ணே உன் குரலுக்கு கீதாஞ்சலி கண் காணா அழகுக்கு கவிதாஞ்சலி அஞ்சலி அஞ்சலி புஷ்பாஞ்சலி அஞ்சலி அஞ்சலி புஷ்பாஞ்சலி அந்தியில வயதில் ஆற்றங்கரை மணலில் காதலின் தடம் பதித்தோம் யார் பறித்தார் நந்தவன கரையில் நட்டு வைத்த செடியில் முட்டு விட்ட மலர் பூவை யார் பறித்தார் காதலன் தீண்டாத பூக்களின் தேரில்லை இடைவெளி தாண்டாதே என் வசம் நான் இல்லை தொட தொட மலர்ந்ததென்ன பூவே தொட்டவரை மறந்ததென்ன பார்வைகள் புதிதா ஸ்பரிசங்கள் புதிதா மழை வர பூமி மறுப்பதென்ன தொட தொட மலர்ந்ததென்ன பூவே தொட்டவனை மறந்ததென்ன. So இதுதான் வந்து ரஹ்மான் mashup. So I'll just do one more Malayalam song which I recently liked a lot. So எல்லாருக்கும் பிரேமம் படம் தெரியும். Actually பிரேமம் படத்துல மலையாள சாங் கிடையாது. This is one more small song which I really liked. I'll just sing it for you. ஆலுவா புழையுது தீரத்து ஆரோருமில்லா நேரத்து தன்னனம் தென்னை தென்னை தேடி வன்னொரு மார்கழி காத்து பூமரக்கும் விஞ்சாரத்து பூமணம் வீசும் நேரத்து தன்னனம் தென்னை தென்னை தேடி வன்னொரு வைங்கிடை காத்து பறையாத பள்ளியில் வச்சேன் கரடில் கீறி ஒடிச்சவளே பதிவாய் படபடவட்டம் மனசில் சூழமடிச்சவளே பறையாத பள்ளியில் வச்சேன் கரடில் கீறி ஒடிச்சவளே பதிவாய் படபடவட்டம் மனசில் சூழமடிச்சவளே ஆத்தியமாய் உள்ளின் உள்ளில் பூத்த பூவல்லே சம்மதம் தந்தால் நின்னை தாலி கட்டி கொண்டு போவில்லை ஆலுவா புழையுது தீரத்து ஆரோருமில்லா நேரத்து தன்னனம் தென்னை தென்னை தேடி வன்னொரு மார்கழி காத்து பறையாத பள்ளியில் வச்சேன் கரடில் கீறி ஒடிச்சவளே பதிவாய் படபடவட்டம் மனசில் சூழமடிச்சவளே ஆத்தியமாய் உள்ளின் உள்ளில் பூத்த பூவல்லே சம்மதம் தந்தால் நின்னை தாலி கட்டி கொண்டு போவில்லை. That's all.
Unmute, please. Clap. Unmute and clap for him. I think that's fantastic. Actually, the Tamil movie songs, I was tempted to sing with you. I did not want to make this a bad show, so I did not.
Nothing like that. You can still.
Because you had such a fantastic voice, and it's all special songs. Thank you for singing for us, and wish you all the best in whatever you are doing. And
thank you so much. And just one last note is like very good dance by the kid. Actually, I really enjoyed. I think she is having multiple talent. That is really nice. And very good voice texture Madhavan has, who has sung the first participant, right?
Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. So all the best to everyone. Thank you. Sorry, guys, I'm just moving for another live. I'll just connect with you guys later, next time for sure, for a full live.
Sure.
Thank you. See you. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you so much.
Yes. we have Samyukta here with us. Samyukta is a first year student. Yeah, Samyukta is studying in not regional engineering college, Rajalakshmi Engineering College. These guys call it REC. So in 80s, REC was always Regional Engineering College, and now it's become Rajalakshmi Engineering College. So Samyukta is here. So youngster going to talk on one topic that's always a controversy. So let's hear it from her, and I'm also curious if it's going to become a controversy or if she's going to make sense. So you should have guessed what is that topic. Did you all guess? So she is here to talk about feminism. Okay, so let's hear what a young girl, 18 years old, has to talk about feminism. So introduce yourself, Samyukta. Unmute yourself, we can't hear you. Suraj, before Samyukta can go, I would welcome Suraj. Suraj is here with us, and Suraj has been a sensation from last week's open mic, and people were asking if Suraj is coming. He's become a celebrity. Thank you, Suraj, for taking time and coming here. I can't see him now. I saw him a little while before. Okay. So Samyukta, over to you. Please, yeah, speak. No, I'm not able to hear you. You have muted yourself now. Not able to hear you. Okay, as Samyukta is checking her mic, let me introduce who Samyukta is. She is an engineering student of biomedical sciences. Her goal is to analyze a problem from both engineering and a biological perspective. She's got interest in both science and arts, and she's also very skeptical and less annoying. Okay, and she's a feminist who believes in equality, not to hate men. That's a very good news for me. She loves cooking, listening to music, and nature. She's an amateur orator. Yeah, this stage is for amateur and people who are budding. So, and she loves debating. Anybody here for debate? Let's do her a debate after she gives her speech. First, let her check the mic. No, not able to hear you. What's the problem? Any idea, guys?
Hello.
Yeah, Samyukta. Can't hear you. Tell me, what should I tell her?
I think she has to connect the audio first. You know, when we enter the open mic, we connect that, right?
Well, there is an arrow. You can click on that and then connect to whatever system you want to connect. So near you can see in the screen now, on the left bottom of your screen, Samyukta, there is a mic symbol. Very close to that, on the top right corner, there is an up arrow. So if you click on that, you have a menu popping, and you have to choose the audio setup you want. Okay, should we give her some time to check on that? Okay. So let's give Samyukta some time to get herself ready for this. Next we have Rishi. Rishi Kumar is musician. Rishi, you're here. Samyukta, was that your audio? Rishi Kumar?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, so are you ready for the day?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, so Rishi Kumar, you with the name don't think he's a big guy. He's a 13-year-old boy who's a musician and a cricketer. Multi-talented kiddos, like the youngsters are all very multi-talented. See, he's a musician and cricketer, and he composes his own music, and he creates piano covers for songs in Hindi, then English, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, Korean, Japanese, and Taiwanese. Cricket is what he's pursuing, while music is his hobby. Today he can't showcase his cricket skills, open mic. I think that is the reason he's showcasing his music talent here. And since lockdown, he has started focusing more on music. Yes, we are bound to be indoors, and he's pursuing his passion for music. So he is going to sing today, and with music, he thinks he can change the world, like the Beethoven says. So let's hear him play. So he's going to do the piano for us. Do you have anything more to add? Or you're going to add with your music?
Yeah, I'll add it with my music.
That's great.
Can you hear this?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
What is Sorry, I'll start over. There was a technical issue from my side.
Yes, 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 we got it.
Excuse me, ask him to remove the earphones. I think we can hear the.
Could you hear it? Because
Yes. We could hear it. We could hear it. There's a little bit of an acoustic issue with echo and all that, but it was wonderful. Still,
because I don't think many of the people could hear it.
we are three of us here. We were able to hear. We were able to hear. Right? Yeah. Guys, were you able to hear?
No, because many of the people in the Zoom meeting couldn't hear it. That's why.
Okay, I think there should have been a technical problem with the network for them. But well done. We really enjoyed. Was this your own
Thank you for the
composition?
opportunity. I had to cut short because of this. No problem.
Was this your composition?
No, I had mixed up many songs. Famous
Okay.
songs.
Okay.
First, I played the Star Wars theme with my own improvisation. And I played Avengers. Then after which I played Coffin Dance, that is Astronomia. And then I played Putta Bomma. And after which I was playing I was playing Vikram Vedha theme. Then I was going to play Haan Main Galat and Kal Ho Na Ho.
Okay. You still want to go?
No, it's fine.
Okay, but I really appreciate the effort that you put, and you were so focused in whatever you were doing. It is because of the technical glitch, maybe. Next time we will check audio before we start. Big round of applause for this fantastic job. Rishi, all the best to you. Keep learning.
Thank you.
And shining. Yeah, thank you. So let's check on Samyukta. If Samyukta's
am I audible now?
yes, Samyukta, very much.
Finally.
Good. You had a big debate with the network for some time.
Yeah. Okay. So can I start now?
Yes, come on.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. I'm Samyukta Kapoor, and I'm here to give a speech on feminism. And first of all, I would like to thank Divya ma'am for giving me this opportunity, because it's a great platform, and organizing something amazing like open mic, especially to showcase all our talents helps us in growth, especially for me, because I'm learning right now. So today I'm going to be talking about feminism. So when I say feminism, different people have different opinions, right? So first, let me make it very clear that I do not hate men. Feminism is not about hating men. Uh, Feminism, quite simply, is about gender equality and giving equal opportunities to both men, women, and all the genders. So you will have a very natural question as to why it is called feminism and not equalism, because we are saying we are giving equal opportunities, right? So I'll give you an answer for that as well. So for whom are we adequating this? That is, who is the one who's been suppressed and oppressed for years and centuries? The whole point of feminism is to give women what they've been missing out for years. So feminism, when I talk about feminism, it goes hand in hand with patriarchy, right? So we all have son preference in our country. In India, the son is seen as an asset, but whereas a girl child is not. Why is it that women's ultimate life goal should be that, she should get married, she should have kids, and it's like a shift of property from the father to the husband? I believe that even the law recognizes it like that. To give you an example, from our ID card to our Aadhaar card to our passport, we are all supposed to fill our father's name or our husband's name. But whereas in case of men, they don't have to really, it's not mandatory for them to put their spouse's name. So also talking about dowry now. So dowry was something which has been very common, which was very common 50 to 70 years back. But now, right now, is it really happening right now? So the bride's father used to give a lump sum amount of money to the bridegroom's family. It was seen as a tradition, guys. So the burning question is, does it exist even now? Yes, the answer is it does exist even now, but it's not called dowry, because if you call it dowry, then you'll be behind the bars for minimum 5 years. So now it's fancily called gifts. So expensive gifts like car, properties, and whatnot, jewels, money, etc., are given to the husband, are given to the husband's family. So yeah, that's about dowry. So also I had a little chat with my family members, especially my uncle, a few days back. Okay, so I was telling him, how I'm a feminist and I want to bring about a change in country, especially in country like India, where the son is considered as an asset, but the girl child is not. So he came up and told to me, in that case, even I'm a feminist, and I asked him, what makes you feel like you're a feminist? And he told me that I allow my wife to work. That particular sentence triggered me a lot, because he used the word allow. So does that mean that all the men in this country have a direct control over the women, over their daughters or their wives? How can you use the word allow? Okay, let me remind you that even today in our country and many other developing countries and many poor countries, the girls are pulled outside their school when they hit puberty, because they're considered that they can be married and given away. That is, they are considered ready for marriage and babies. That is at the age of 12 and 13, guys. So at the age of 12 and 13, where you're supposed to go to school, do your homework, do your projects, make friends, have fun, these girls in many small villages and many poor countries are married to men who are way elder than them. All right, way elder, like almost double their age. Okay. So I would like to conclude by reminding you all that it is our social responsibility to voice for the voiceless. If I have to talk about feminism and what is wrong in our country, I can talk for literally hours. Okay, I can talk for hours, but I want to come up over here and give you guys a solution as to how to make a change, how to normalize things, how to make sure that there is equality in our country for all the genders. So I think most of the people in this meeting are men, and I really want to tell this thing to you all, that if you see something happening, something which is not just, something which is not equal, that is, if women are not equally treated as men, please raise your voice. So make sure that no one is being treated or oppressed around your in your surroundings. So it is our social responsibility to voice for the voiceless. So thank you so much. I hope I didn't trigger anyone or say something which is wrong, because I'm very sure that I checked my facts right. So yeah, thank you.
Your opinion on feminism. I had the same debate with Saujini couple of days before, saying why feminism, and she was telling the same thing, that many people think feminism is supporting women, but feminism means equality between genders, right?
Yeah.
So that's a nice thought put by a young girl like you. So when everybody gets this thought in head, I'm sure there's going to be equality and there's going to be so much beauty in the world. Right? Thank you for sharing your opinion so boldly, and that Chandramukhi will come out kind of thing. Yeah, I can relate with you as a woman on what you say. So if anybody has debate, they will send us the questions. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You okay? Keep your videos on, Samyukta. Yeah, Sauju has something to talk. I can see her waiting to talk. Yes.
Okay, so I actually wanted to tell everyone that how Me Nurturing Institute helped me become a person I am right now. Basically, I am a law student. I was supposed to be in my final year, and because of this corona issues, I was not able to complete my fourth year. I was really upset. I felt very bad, and all those things. And so at that time, Divya ma'am, she helped me. சரி அக்கா இங்கிலீஷ்ல அக்கா எப்படி சொல்றது திவ்யா சிஸ்டர்னு சொல்ல நல்லா இருக்காதுல்ல okay so Divya akka helped me come out of that. Currently she gave me so much of positive thoughts. She made me she scheduled my entire day, and I followed that, and I can see drastic changes. Currently I'm doing 2 internships, and I have organized a mandala workshop, and I also started my YouTube channel, and it's all because of her. So I just wanted to thank her. And yeah, we are conducting a mandala workshop this Wednesday in Me Nurturing Institute is conducting a mandala workshop this Wednesday morning 10 to 12. Interested people will send you the registration link. You can go register yourself, and then you can be a part of the workshop. we'll be teaching mindful mandala, not an ordinary mandala workshop. It is going to be mindful mandala. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sauju. It's so sweet of you to tell that. So Sauju was Sauju is my relative, but you know, when you get officially in touch with a person, as a life coach, when I get in touch with a person officially, then that's when the change happens. It does not happen because you are a friend. It does not happen because you are a relative. Most of the people will agree with me. I don't like giving advices and gyan. So she was in my batch of inertia in the month of February with Manasa. And I could see a drastic change in Sauju, and I wouldn't take the credit because it is hard work. Like what I say, you go to the gym and you work out and you build muscles, you tone down. And the credit cannot go to your coach because it's you who had to get up and do the workout, and it's you who took weights and you who were on diet, right? It's the same with the mindset also. So once you start working with your mindset, as a coach, I only felicitate that change, but that real change only comes in when that individual is ready to change. And I see that drastic shift in her emotions, in her lifestyle, in the pattern, and she's blooming to be a wonderful, already she's a wonderful person. I wouldn't say I touched her, it's a Maida's touch that I touched her and she turned gold. She's already gold, now she's shining, that's it. So the last video that she did, Ice Out is her YouTube channel, and it was amazing. So she always wanted to be a fashion designer. So from that time onwards, we were in touch where she wanted to do an NIFT, and she got into law, but nevertheless, she did not stop pursuing her dream of becoming a fashionista. And now she's started her own YouTube channel and she's doing tremendously well. So do follow her and like her, comment. Yeah, that's what I should tell, right?
Yes,
She
yeah.
gave me
So
money to do
my
that.
social handles. You can follow me in all of these things if you can, and if you want, you can follow me in any of those. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Sauju
Divya.
bribed me to tell all this. So do follow her. Okay, yeah. So for the first time, the students that come, I don't say students, the individuals who come and associate with me become my extended family, and it's not going to be a 4-day session or 5-day session. It's going to be an extended family. That is how we have a family here, and now we've started something new. And it's been only 2 days, and we're seeing so good an effort that it's mind, body, soul. We are doing a limitless youth club where we wake up by 4:45 in the morning, and we are doing something for the body, mind, and soul. And it's again accelerating our process of growth. I think guys who are waking up with me will agree, right? There are a few participating. So we are also starting a batch this Monday for Inertia. So anybody would like to enroll for your personality development, you can get in touch. So the next participant that we have now should be waiting for me to stop talking. I know here is my son who is asking me enough is enough. Okay. Okay. So the next participant is going to be Venki. Venki is going to do beatboxing. I seriously don't know what beatboxing is. It is creating music with the mouth. That's what they told me, and I'm really curious to know what he's going to do. Hi, Venki. Venki did not send me about him, so I would request Venki to introduce himself. Venki's here. Hi, Venki, are you around? Okay, so if not Venki, we have the celebrity rapper here. So let's start with the rapper. He's a celebrity because I've seen his performance, his videos, and I'm a big fan of his. I've been following him for a long time, and it's a nice opportunity. Today I'm seeing him online at least, and I'm going to see him perform live. So we have Ritesh Sundar here with us. Yes, would you like to?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
I
Okay.
can hear you.
Actually, I'm not a celebrity. I'm just a budding artist. Like, yeah. So, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் வந்து Ritesh Sundar, also known as Ratsen. Like the first 3 letters from Ritesh and the first 3 letters from Sundar, like Ratsen. Because like I just want to make it crisp and short so that everybody can call. Like Ritesh Sundar. It is like everything. So, அதனால Ratsen, simple and crisp. So, like I'm from hip hop collective, or we are from a group called Peace. Abbreviation என்னன்னா people expressing art, culture, and emotions. So we have dancers, beatboxers, and beat producers, musicians, rappers, singers, and everything. And we are doing like so many things. We are like giving stage to many artists. Like நாங்க ரோட்ல பீட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு விஷயம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம், லைக் லாக்டவுன்லாம் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. ஸோ அது எப்படின்னா எங்க குரூப்ல வந்துட்டு ஃப்ரெட்ரிக் ஜான் FJ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒருத்தர் இருப்பாரு. அவர் வந்து இப்போ ஹிப்ஹாப் தமிழாக்கு பர்சனல் பீட் பாக்ஸரா இருக்காரு. ஸோ அவர் வந்துட்டு தான் ஆரம்பிச்சாரு இந்த ரோட்ல பீட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்த. ரோட்ல பீட் எப்படின்னா பெசன் நகர் பீச்ல வந்துட்டு நாங்க ஒரு 6 o'clock போயிட்டு போலீஸ் பெர்மிஷன் எல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வில் பி பெர்ஃபார்மிங் வித் மெனி ஆர்டிஸ்ட் லைக் அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ யா ஓகே வில் ஸ்டார்ட். ஓகே ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்ட் டு நோ லைக் மியூசிக் கேக்குதா உங்களுக்கு?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah. Yo, it's Ratson representing peace hip hop. Hey. வாடி என தேடி என் கவிதை உனக்கு புரியும் முன் கவனம் எனக்கு தாடி உனக்கு தெரிய வேணா என் பழைய காதல் பற்றி நான் வருவேன் உன்னை சுத்தி சிரிக்கும் போது இன்னோரம் விழுதை புலிகள் தடுக்கி உனக்கு நானோ இல்லை உனக்கு காதல் கதை இல்லை நமது முடிவு பற்றி நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட கவலை இல்லை காதல் செய்யும் மாயம் உன் மனதில் கண்டின் காயம் வருத்தப்பட்டு இருக்காதே அதில் இல்லை உண்மை நியாயம் கலையை ரசிக்கும் உன்னை உன் கூட வைத்து பாடு மனதில் தேங்கும் கண்ணீரை காய வைத்து பாரு மறந்தாலும் மறைந்தாலும் சிரிப்பாயே எனக்காக விட்டு சென்றவன் உன்னை விட்டு சென்றான் நமக்காக கலையை ரசிக்கும் உன்னை நான் கலந்து தினமும் பார்த்தேன் என் மனதில் இருக்கும் உண்மைகளை வெளியே சொல்ல மாட்டேனே மாட்டேனே புதிக பலிகள் கவிதை படைத்து பலிகள் மறைக பலிகள் தேடி தனிமை விரும்பி பாதைகள் தருவி பாதைகள் முழுவதும் உள்ளும் கத்தி என்ன பத்தி பேசின வாய்கள் பொத்தி வெளுக்கு பத்தி எரிமலை போல் மாறும் அணிந்த காயங்களும் மாறும் கதவை திறக்க வேண்டும் திறந்து கலைய வளர்க்கும் நேரம் வரும் கவனத்தோடு கிடைக்கும் பொழுது கேள்வி பேச்சு காதல் கேட்கும் அதை மறந்து மருந்து போடு வேண்டியமாக நேர்மையாக இருப்பேன் நான் எந்த தருணத்திலும் என் குறி தப்பிவிடுமோ என் தொண்டை பறந்திடுமோ எது நடந்தாலும் இசை கட்டுப்படுத்திடுமோ குறை கண்டிடுமோ என் குரல் ஒழித்திடுமோ பதுங்கி நிற்கிறேன் ஒதுங்கி நிற்கவில்லை அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ தலை குனிகளை கல பிடிக்கலை இன்னும் முடிகளை செய்ய வேண்டியது பல இருக்குது மண்ட வெடிக்கிறது ஒண்ணு புரிதலை எல்லாம் சரி வரும் என்று நினைக்கிறேன் தடை உடைக்கிறேன் கரம் இருக்கிறேன் இதை பிடிக்கிறேன் லட்சியத்தை அடைய தினமும் நான் உழைக்கிறேன் Ratson peace hip hop Ratson அடியே உன்னை பார்த்த உடனே ரத்தம் கொதிக்குதே உன்னை பத்தி நினைக்கும் பொழுது மண்டை வெடிக்குதே என் இதயம் நீ நினைக்கும் பொழுது மட்டும் துடிக்குதே பிடிக்குதே இந்த நிலை வந்து நிம்மதி எனக்கு கொடுக்குதே இரவு தூக்கம் இல்லை மனதில் ஈரம் இல்லை உன்னை வெல்ல எதையும் செய்ய தயாராக உள்ளேன் எனக்கு நீ உனக்கு நான் என்று வாழ்வோம் வா பழைய நினைவுகளை தள்ளி வைத்து புதிய கதையை தொடங்குவோம் காயமாச்சு நெஞ்சு கூட வச்சு கொஞ்சு குறைந்திராது எழுதுவோம் அன்பே பாசம் கொஞ்சம் காட்டு எழுது கோலை எழுத்து பொண்ணை நினைத்து படைத்து பாட்டு இது தெரிந்து கொள் இந்த காதலை உனக்கு எது நாசையை பொண்ணு மட்டும் பெண்ணை நீ சிந்திக்க வேண்டும் தாகத்தை தணிக்க நீ அருந்த வேண்டும் என்னை மட்டும் நினைத்து நீ வாழ வேண்டும் என் கேள்விக்கு பதில் கூற வேண்டும் Ratson peace hip hop Ratson peace hip hop. Oh yeah.
Very nice, Ratson.
ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு இந்த மாதிரி பாடி ஆக்சுவலா. So thank you so much.
I would also like to mention that அவங்க வந்து கோமாளி படத்துல வந்து பாடி இருக்காங்க. அவங்க சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க அத.
கோமாளி சாங்ல வந்துட்டு இந்த பைசா நோட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பாட்டு இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து நாங்க லைக் பேக்கிங் வோக்கல்ஸ் கொடுத்தோம், லைக் கோரஸ் மாதிரி. ஸோ we are like doing many stuff. நிறைய வெப் சீரிஸ்ல இப்ப பாடிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம் அண்ட் இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் சாங்ஸ் நிறைய ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த லாக்டவுன் வந்ததுனால எங்களால அந்த வீடியோ அந்த மாதிரி விஷயத்துல வந்துட்டு எங்களால கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியல. அதே சமயத்துல இப்ப நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அப்படிங்கறத யோசிச்சு எங்களால முடிஞ்சது லைக் வீட்லயே போன்லயே வந்துட்டு நிறைய வீடியோஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் அதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு நாங்க ஒரு ரீசெண்டா நிறைய ட்ராக் பண்ணி விட்டுருக்கோம். என்னோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே இருக்கும். இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஐடி என்னன்னா its_ratson RATSUN ITS_ratson. ஸோ டூ ஃபாலோ மீ. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு பாட்டு நான் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அது என்ன பத்தினா நம்ம லாக்டவுன்ல வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப எதையாவது யோசிச்சுட்டு ஐயோ அது முடிஞ்சோடனே நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், ஸோ நம்மளால ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது அப்படி இப்படின்னு நம்ம யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கும் போது அதெல்லாம் யோசிக்காம நவ் let's relax, keep ourselves in a positive state அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு கண்டென்ட் இருக்கிற ஒரு பாட்டு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு போய் பாருங்க. இட்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் ராட்சன்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போஸ்டிங் அந்த ட்ராக் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ டூ வாட்ச் இட், டூ ஷேர் இட். இப்போதான் ஆக்சுவலா நான் இப்போதான் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு உடனே அப்படியே இங்க வரேன் நானு. ஸோ யா கைஸ், தட்ஸ் இட்.
So what do you do? You're the student, right?
Yeah, I'm a law student actually.
See, look at that. Students coming and doing wonderful things. Amazing. Keep doing all the good work.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
so
coming
much for
here.
this opportunity.
Yeah. Let's meet soon when the lockdown is over.
Definitely.
Yes. Thank you so much. So the next participant I have here is my own son, Nikhil. Nikhil is very passionate about cooking, and right from young age, he was always interested in cooking. So having Me Nurturing Institute and talking about people about finding their passion and what they are good in, it will not be good if I don't let my son do that. So he's always serving us delicacies, and it's become that my friends are so jealous of me. So this lockdown has been a time where he was able to explore and cook and help us around in the house. Today he is going to show us some simple, easy to make food that you can enjoy in your lockdown. Yeah, he wants to speak. Oh, you want me to speak? Okay. The table is getting ready. So until then, let me keep asking you a few questions. So the people looking in here, as he sets the table, what do you feel? Each one of you sitting here has a talent. Agreed or not? You can show thumbs up. You can say yes. Right? So it's so beautiful when people can come out and showcase their talent. It is never a bigger talent or a smaller talent. That's what I say. Once you have that guts and solalam, or that courage to come and showcase the talent, even with a flaw, then it will push you to perform more. I'm sure whoever performed so well today were also once upon a time a starter, and they were a beginner, and they had their flaws. And Me Nurturing Institute's open mic is just for that. We are not here to judge you. So if you have talent in you, if you want to showcase it, if you want to start off with some talent, that's okay. You can message us. Sauju will share the registration form in the chat box so that you can register, and we will get in touch with you. She has shared already. We'll get in touch with you. We wish the world becomes a beautiful place when everybody becomes expressive. That's what Watson also said. Like when we start expressing ourselves, then it's really nice. So I would invite all of you to go register for the open mic in the coming days, so that we are also entertained and you are also engaged. I hope Nikhil is ready. Nikhil, you want to say something before you start? Yes.
Hello. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, Nikhil. All of us can hear you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make overnight soap oats. It's a very simple recipe. It only takes 5 minutes of preparation, and it's going to be very delicious. So I've already made one. So I'll tell you how to make. So the recipe will be 1 cup of oats. Everyone has oats, and probably will be having oats in your house. So 1 cup of oats. And then you come behind that with one spoon of chia seeds or sabja seeds. So, and then you add 1 cup of milk. Okay. So for sweetener, you can add honey. So I'm using honey. If you want, you can use sugar. So you can add how much of sweetness you want. So honey, depending on your taste. And then give it a good mix. And then now you set this in your fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. And then after that, you'll have your end product will be somewhat like this. So now this is going to be like quite bland only. So to improvise that, you can add more fruits or cookies or whatever you like. So I'm adding mango and some chopped almonds, and I like some biscuits in it. So a bit of biscuits. There you have it. This is your overnight soaked oats. It takes only 5 minutes for you to prepare. It's going to be very delicious.
Trust me, guys, it's very delicious. And can you tell other variations, Nikhil?
So you can add whatever you like. So whatever you have, if you have bananas, you can add bananas. You can add jam also. You can add peanut butter. You can add Nutella with it and mix it. Yeah, you can basically do whatever you like. Whatever you feel is good, you can just go with your instincts, add whatever you like. I would recommend everything to be sweet. You can go maximum with cinnamon or spice, cinnamon or nutmeg. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So thank you, Nikhil. So I have got a bowl to taste. Oh wow. Okay. It's yum. Trust me, the youngsters here, it's echoing. The youngsters here, instead of using a 2-minute Maggie, you can always do this and keep it in your fridge. It's very good for that midnight snacking. Okay. So thank you, Nikhil. I hear echo. Okay. So now we have the next participant with us. Okay. So there is no age limit for you to express yourself. There's no age limit that this is the age you have to start. I keep telling my mom this, that you can never claim to be old. Only when you start learning or when you stop expressing yourself, that is when you start getting old. So to prove that point, here we have with us today, we have Prema. So she is going to be talking about mudras and she's going to teach us how without medicine you can heal yourself using the ancient secret of mudras. So over to her. I know she's a very good cook and all that. Yeah, she's here.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் பிரேமா. நான் இன்னைக்கு 2 முத்திரைகளை பற்றி செய்து காட்ட போகிறேன். அது நம்ம ரொம்ப தேவையான முத்திரைகள். ஒன்று சின் முத்ரா, இன்னொன்று சமான முத்ரா. சின் முத்ரா வந்து எப்படி செய்யணும்னு செய்து காட்டுறேன். கண்பட்டாங்க. இந்த 2 விரல்களும் ஒன்றோட ஒன்று இணைந்து இருக்கணும். மற்ற விரல்கள் நீட்டி இருக்கணும். சமணம் போட்டு செய்யலாம், பத்மாசனம் போட்டும் செய்யலாம், வஜ்ராசனம் போட்டும் செய்யலாம். கீழே உட்கார முடியாதவர்கள் சேர் போட்டு கால் பாதம் 2 தரையில பதிகிற மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்துருக்கணும். முதுகெலும்பு நேரா இருக்கணும், தலை நேரா இருக்கணும், கை விரல் 2 முட்டி மேல இருக்கணும். கண்ணை மூடிட்டு இந்த கை இப்படி இருக்கணும். 2 விரல்களும் இப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது, இப்படி இருக்கணும். விரல்கள் நீட்டி இருக்கணும். முட்டி மேல வச்சுக்கணும் கையை. முதுகெலும்பு நேரா இருக்கணும், தலை நேரா இருக்கணும். கண்ணை மூடிட்டு சுவாசத்தை நல்லா கவனிக்கணும். இந்த மாதிரி காலையில 15 நிமிஷம், சாயந்தரம் 15 நிமிஷம் செய்யணும். 2 நாள் செஞ்சு விட்டுறக்கூடாது, 21 நாள் செய்யணும். அப்பதான் அதனோட பலன் நமக்கு முழுசா கிடைக்கும். இதனோட பலன்கள் சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு 1/2 மணி நேரம் முன்னாடி செய்யணும். சாப்பிட்டு இருந்தா 2 மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு செய்யணும். காலை மாலை 2 வேளையும் செய்யணும். இதனோட பலன்கள் வந்து உடம்புக்கு ரத்த ஓட்டம் நல்லா கிடைக்கும், மூளைக்கு ரத்த ஓட்டம் நல்லா கிடைக்கும், நல்ல ஞாபக சக்தி இருக்கும், மன அழுத்தம் குறையும், நேர்மறை எண்ணங்கள் குறையும், உயர் ரத்த அழுத்தம் நல்லா குறையும். படிக்கிற பசங்களுக்கு இது நல்ல தேவையான முத்திரை. இது நல்ல ஞாபக சக்தி இருக்கும். 2வது முத்திரை வந்து சமான முத்திரை. சமான முத்திரை வந்து நம்ம உடம்புல நெருப்பு, காற்று, ஆகாயம், மண், நீர், பஞ்சபூதங்களானதான் நம்ம உடம்பு. இது என்ன சமமான்றதா நம்ம உடம்பு நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கும். இதுல எது குறைஞ்சாலும் அதிகமானாலும் உடம்புல பிரச்சனை ஏற்படும். இதை சமன்படுத்துறது தான் இந்த சமான முத்திரை. எப்படி செய்யணும்னு பாருங்க. இந்த 4 விரல்களும் இந்த கட்டை விரலோட சேர்ந்து இருக்கணும். இப்படி சேர்ந்து இருக்கணும். சின்முதல் எப்படி உட்காரமோ அதே மாதிரிதான் இதுக்கும் உட்காந்து இந்த கை 2 முட்டி மேல வச்சிருக்கணும். நல்ல முதுகெலும்பு நேரா இருக்கணும். கண்ணை மூடி சுவாசத்தை கவனிக்கணும். இது காலை 15 நிமிஷம், சாயந்தரம் 15 நிமிஷம் 21 நாள் செய்யணும். அப்பதான் அதனோட பலன் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். உடம்பு ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கும். பஞ்சபூதங்கள்லாம் சமமா இருக்கும். உடம்பு ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் நம்பிக்கையோட கண்டிப்பா செய்யுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Aunty. ஆண்டி ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் வந்து நீங்க ஷேர் பண்ணதுக்கு ஐடியாஸ் எல்லாம். கேக்குதா?
అక్కడ మాట్లాడండి అక్కడ
ఆ,
మాట్లాడండి.
మెల్లిగా వెళ్తాను திருப்பி పెట్టిಲ್ಲ పెద్ద
கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுங்க
தேங்க்ஸ் ஆண்டி வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணதுக்கு உங்களோட ஐடியாஸ.
ஆமாங்க இது நானே செஞ்சு பலன் பார்த்தது இது ரெண்டுமே.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. கண்டிப்பா யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ்க்குலாம் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். அதனால ஈஸியா வேற சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. அதுவும் குவாரண்டைன்ல வீட்டுக்குள்ள உட்கார்ந்துட்டே இருக்கப்ப என்ன பண்ண தெரியல அப்படின்னா கொஞ்ச நேரம் முத்ரா வச்சுட்டு உட்கார்ந்துருக்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ so much.
சரி தேங்க்யூ.
So the next participant, we did not have Venki before. So Venki is here. Venki, are you here? Venki?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here.
So Venki is here to do beatboxing for us. Venki, please introduce yourself to us.
Yeah, so I'm Venki and I'm 17 and I started beatboxing like 4 years ago and I'm still a rookie, I would say.
Okay. What do you
Get
do,
on with
Venki?
I'm just in 12th grade right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, come on. We're waiting to hear.
All right. Okay, so I just want to do a little sound check before. I just want you guys to tell me if like you can hear it properly. It's chill.
Yes, 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 we can hear. I hope everybody was clear.
All right, let's get on with it. There it goes.
My God. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the support.
I never knew we can do something like this with a mouth. Trust me. Today is the first day I'm saying maybe it's my ignorance. So I was asking Nikhil what is beatboxing, and he was telling making music with the mouth. I thought it's like whistling or something like that. You did tremendously well. Fantastic, Venki. And it's only 4 years that you've been practicing, is it?
Yes.
So we all have scopes of doing it. Instead of using our mouth to shell out tension words, we can also, simply blabbering. We can also do this, I guess. Where did you learn this from?
I just, like I saw this video on the YouTube and then I thought, oh my God, I have to learn it too. And then I started it out of pure interest. And now it has sort of become like a passion, I'd say.
Okay. that's cool. So we all have access to the internet and to YouTube, and we can do wonderful things like this. Thank you, Venki, for inspiring all of us today with your what beatbox.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Means a lot.
Yeah. Anybody wants to say something? So we have Ratsen here, who's also telling me he's got beatboxers in his.
It was great actually. It was great. Seriously great. And yeah, once this lockdown gets over, we'll definitely like. I'm gonna like. Venki, what's your like? Do you have like Instagram or something?
Yeah, bro, I do.
Yeah, you just like send it here so that I'll just follow you and we'll get connected. All right?
Oh, bro, sure, bro.
Yeah,
I'll just like I'll just type out my Instagram handle in the chat.
Yeah, sure.
So this is what we want this platform to do. Like, want to make new friends, new collaboration, and new growth opportunities, so that everybody can become like, when we get along together, it's beautiful, right? So this will be a forum where we encourage talent and we also encourage collaborations. And I also have some good news to say. Last week, when we had a participant who was only 12 years old, Rishit had come here and he showed us paper craft. And I was just telling him, why don't you start a YouTube channel? And he started a YouTube channel, and it's amazing talent. His second video was such a pro. Like, I think the professional YouTubers have to beg. He's done so wonderful. Mother is here. I would like her to share what is his YouTube handle, because it originated from here, I would say.
Yeah, actually, I personally wanted to talk about this. As my throat was not that good, I couldn't share it. But anyway, it's time, I think. It is really a great work, Divya.
I want only your son's YouTube handle, okay?
Okay. Actually, it is a Brain Hunt. It is a YouTube. On last Saturday, he performed, and Divya asked, why don't you start a YouTube? Then immediately, the day, night itself, he didn't sleep, and he didn't made me to sleep. He was just searching for a name, and next day, that is on 28th, it was his Anna's birthday. So that day he started his YouTube, and almost now he got around 70 subscribers, almost 300 to 400 people have viewed it. So of course, you say that it is his talent, but anyway, that confidence came through a knee open mic. Thank you for this.
So much. Thank you so much. I'm just telling this because I want everybody to get on with their talent, whatever it is that makes life really beautiful. Trust me, art can heal your life. So become artistic. Now we have with us another artist today. So he's Karthikeyan, and he's working as an HR in a IPR firm, and he's got so much passion towards singing right from his childhood days. I don't know how old is he. I can see him childhood days, and he's not a trained singer, but he loves singing melodious songs of Tamil cinema, and he's also exploring other genres. He's a big fan of Ilayaraja sir, and he's available on Smule, and his Smule ID is Karthik Shekhar. I think next time we have to read out each one's handle also here, so people will quickly go and like, subscribe. That's what I want to happen. If 100 people are here, I would like each one to subscribe to whoever has come here, so that they have more fan followers, and it's motivating for the youngsters. It's how many likes and how many followers that keeps them going, even for me. So the limitless you subscribers also adds to my happiness quotient. So let's hear Karthikeyan sing now.
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Karthikeyan.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you, Divya ma'am, for this great opportunity. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப அழகா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணீங்க. Indeed, it's a very great platform to all. நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஒன்று கூடி we can able to have a good rapport within ourselves. And I'm not a trained singer, as ma'am said, but எனக்கு வந்து சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே சிங்கிங்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். And then இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 1 year-ஆ நான் ஸ்மியூல்ல பாடிட்டு இருக்கேன். Then it has got a very good response. So okay, fine. Next stage I have to move on. So let me collaborate with some of my friends in social media. எனக்கு அதை பத்தி எதுவுமே தெரியாது. So ஒரு பேண்ட் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி something like that I'm trying out. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் வந்து ரெண்டு பாட்டு பாட போறேன். ஒன்று ரெண்டுமே ரோஜால இருந்து தான், காதல் ரோஜாவே, இன்னொன்று வந்து புது வெள்ளை மலை. ஓகே, காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. கண்ணுக்குள் நீதான், கண்ணீரில் நீதான், கண்மூடி பார்த்தால் நெஞ்சுக்குள் நீதான். என்னாகுமோ ஏதாகுமோ சொல் சொல். காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. தென்றல் என்னை தீண்டினால் சேலை தீண்டும் ஞாபகம், சின்ன பூக்கள் பார்க்கையில் தேகம் பார்த்த ஞாபகம். வெள்ளியோடு பேசினால் சொன்ன வார்த்தை ஞாபகம், மேகம் ரெண்டும் சேர்கையில் மோகம் கொண்ட ஞாபகம். வாயில்லாமல் போனால் வாழ்க்கை இல்லை கண்ணே, நீ இல்லாமல் போனால் வார்த்தை இல்லை கண்ணே. முள்ளோடுதான் முத்தங்களா சொல் சொல். காதல் ரோஜாவே எங்கே நீ எங்கே, கண்ணீர் வழியுதடி கண்ணே. புது வெள்ளை மழை இங்கு பொழிகின்றது, இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது. இங்கு சொல்லாத இடம் கூட குளிர்கின்றது, மனம் சூடான இடம் தேடி அலைகின்றது. புது வெள்ளை மழை இங்கு பொழிகின்றது, இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது. இங்கு சொல்லாத இடம் கூட குளிர்கின்றது, மனம் சூடான இடம் தேடி அலைகின்றது. நதி நீர் நீதானா, கரை நானே, சிறு பறவை நீதானா, உன் வாழும் நானே. புது வெள்ளை மழை இங்கு பொழிகின்றது, இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது. பெண் இல்லாத ஊரிலே அடியான் பூ கேட்பதில்லை, பெண் இல்லாத ஊரிலே கொடிதான் பூ பூப்பதில்லை. உன் புடவை முந்தாணி சாய்ந்ததில் இந்த பூமி பூ பூத்தது. இது கம்பன் பாடாத சிந்தனை, உன் காதோடு யார் சொன்னது? புது வெள்ளை மழை இங்கு பொழிகின்றது, இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது. இங்கு சொல்லாத இடம் கூட குளிர்கின்றது, மனம் சூடான இடம் தேடி அலைகின்றது. Thank you.
Wonderful, Karthikeyan.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Nice, nice. Keep singing. You can see that again. The spion la paadrappa irukku adhe look adhe feel koduthu.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Thank you so much for participating. Okay, so this puts us to the end of today's session. It's like so many people had come to my office. Almost 50 of you have come to my office. I feel really good having you all here, even if it is virtually. It's high energy, and we will keep doing this until the lockdown is there, and even beyond that. So we never know. It's going so good. So if you know any talent, and if you want them to come and participate here, you can ask them to register with us and showcase their talent here. Thank you, all of you, for participating and making our day. All the participants, kudos to you. Let's all put our hands together one more time for them. Everybody brought in so much energy, and I'm sure each one of you who performed here will be inspiring millions of people who see your video in YouTube. So tomorrow morning we'll be uploading the video in the YouTube. So it's The Limitless You. You can subscribe to the channel and you can share it with friends. so that they also get inspired by you and start doing something. It may not be the same thing, but at least